this is my the main website of UI, the website of Jaeger. Currently there is no such trace of Redos gateway. Now I am making a request for the list of buckets. We'll wait for some time to complete the request. The request is completed and now we will see its traces on the Jaeger UI. So here we can see we have two traces. We have one trace, and this trace is responsible for tracing the request of the bucket list. If I click on this and click here, then I will get the list of spans, and these are the time showing what a single thread of that request does. If I open this, you will see the request of RGW list bucket execute, and these are authentication functions used to verify the users and the request. And let us make one more request of uploading a file to Redos gateway. I am uploading a file test.py in my current folder to the container named Abhi here. So let's do it. We'll wait for some time. The request is completed. Now we will see the traces in the UI. I will reload this, and now I have 4 traces. Okay, and so these two traces will show us the actual trace, the actual time it took for a file to be uploaded inside a Redos gateway. And if I click on this, I will see the spans, then here you can see its request. To see the uploading of file is actually a two-way method. It's actually a two-step process. The first is it will create the bucket if the bucket is not there. So this is the span of creating the bucket. Okay, and I go there and I will see this, then this trace will actually show me the put request. That means putting the object in the newly created bucket. So when I do this, I will be getting, see here, RGW put object. So the bucket which was created in the previous span in which I showed you the newly created bucket, it is putting that object in this new bucket only. So my main problem is suppose my these two traces was of the object uploading in the file request. So what I want to do is I want to keep their timing same. See, their timing are different. If you will look at the seconds, then they have different times. So what I want to achieve is I want to keep this timing same, so that if a user wants to see the particular trace of his request, so they will know that if the time of two traces is same, that means that will mean that these two traces comes from a single request. But here the times are different, so the developer or the user might not able to understand that these two are from the same request, that is this one. So this is the problem that I am currently facing. And one more thing, along with the time, I actually want to show the name of the request which is being given by the user. For example, I want to show this thing, upload upload this string I want to show, this and this, along with the time, so that it will be easier for the user to understand certain, it will be easier for him to look for a particular span he is looking for.